Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by making sure the batteries have enough charge. Low power causes pairing failures. Once done, open the case next to your phone or laptop and enable Bluetooth on the device. Press and hold the case button for about 2-3 seconds to trigger pairing mode. You'll see a blinking white LED or hear a voice prompt. Now move to your device's Bluetooth list and select the Bose Quietcomfort Earbuds. This sequence speeds reliable discovery and reduces connection drops. After the earbuds appear in your device's Bluetooth list, tap the Bose Quietcomfort entry to pair. If prompted, accept location and notification permissions so the app can find device features. Next, install and open the Bose Music app. This is important because firmware updates improve stability and ANC performance. Follow the in-app guided setup to assign left/right earbuds and run any requested update. Make sure to keep earbuds near the phone until the app confirms completion, so settings sync correctly. With firmware up to date, test the earbuds using a short 30-60 second audio clip and adjust active noise cancellation and EQ in the app to taste. This tuning improves clarity and comfort. If audio stutters or pairing fails, reboot by closing the case and removing earbuds after 10 seconds. If problems persist, perform a factory reset. Press and hold the case button for about 10 seconds until the LED blinks, then repair. This reset usually clears stubborn connection or firmware glitches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.